So earlier I posted a video about the 2023 set of uncirculated coins with King Charles III on them. But when I purchased that, I also picked up this $5 silver commemorative coin for King Charles III's coronation last year. It comes in this attractive green and gold. I don't know whether to call it a case or a little folder or a pamphlet, but the coin itself is in a little piece of plastic at the top of the card. There's the back. It still has Queen Elizabeth II on the back of the coin because they hadn't yet begun to mint the coins with Charles on them. So we have the commemorative detailing on the front and Queen Elizabeth on the back. And then we have just some information here. And I want to do it very gently so I don't damage this card. But it says, Canada celebrates the coronation of His Majesty King Charles III. The coronation of His Majesty King Charles III on May 6, 2023 is a momentous occasion as it marks the first coronation of a new sovereign of Canada in 7 decades. The formal investiture of the monarch's regal power is a spectacle like no other, one steeped in pomp, pageantry, and centuries-old traditions that connect the past and future, culminating in the religious ceremony held at Westminster Abbey in London, United Kingdom. The coronation of His Majesty King Charles III is both a solemn and celebratory event that will long be remembered, and it is commemorated through the royal cipher appearing on your coin's reverse. Did you know ciphers have been used by the British monarchs since the reign of King Henry, and I think that's the 8th, King Henry VIII? I'm always second-guessing my Roman numerals. The royal cipher of His Majesty King Charles III features his reginal number 3, along with the initial C and R that stands for Charles, and Rex, the Latin word for king. His Majesty the King's royal cipher features a stylized Tudor crown, the headpiece used by monarchs until the English Civil Wars, 1642 to 1651. The actual crown inspired the 4 gemstones shaped and the engraved pearls that run along the edge of your coin. And then we have the same thing over here, but just in the French. And so there's the royal cipher there. And technically speaking, this is the reverse, or the quote back of the coin. I think most of us would consider this the front of the coin, since the other side is always the same. But in fact, in reading about coins, I've discovered that the side with the head side, in this case the side featuring the monarch, is technically the front of the coin. And so the cipher is on the reverse. And I just plan to leave this $5 silver coin inside the little booklet and add it to my collection in this manner.